here's how to make the IR SAO PCB. First, we'll need an IR receiver, then an IR LED. Next, we'll need a 0.1 microfarad capacitor, and then two 100 ohm resistors. After that, we'll have two 10K ohm resistors, a button for input, and then a button for reset. We'll top it off with an AT-Tiny85 and two SAO pins. Now, let's assemble the PCB. First, we'll start with the 10K ohm resistors in the bottom, then the 100 ohm resistors above those, then the 0.1 microfarad capacitor, and the two buttons themselves. Then we'll add the IR receiver, and note the round part goes forward. And when adding the IR LED, give yourself some leeway and bend it forward 90 degrees like below. Finally, we'll add in the AT-Tiny85 and the two SAO pins. And that's how you make the IR SAO.